Hello, VW Livers! Welcome to today's event. We are going to the Volkswagen gathering at the food trucks in Liberty Hill. And boy, is it going to be fun because it's March and the weather is beautiful. And Jerry, well, we'll see what happens. I did a little fuel pump change. I think we might have had a little issue going on there. So we did that, took care of that this morning. So boy, howdy, are we excited for today, because you can see it is a beautiful day today. And we have a special guest going to be joining us today. So just you wait for all you guys out there. The one, the only Alberto will be joining us today from Alberto Surf Shop. So stick with us today. We're going to Liberty Hill to the food trucks. It's going to be fun. It's going to be Volkswagens. Who knows what kind of adventure awaits? Stick with us, guys. Well, looky there, kids. Special guest appearance by the one, the only Alberto. So, oh, I forgot to tell you, that's all he speaks. And Alberto.
Hello, baby.
So off we go into the wild blue yonder. Who knows what kind of trouble we're going to find. So it's been a good little gathering here at the Liberty Hill VW gathering. There's some guys heading out. Look at that, looking good. Here's Roger Moore. There he is.
What's up, Gary?
Roger Moore, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good, man.
Good to see you.
Beautiful day here in
It is a beautiful day.
I love it. It was a great drive.
Oh, it's perfect, right?
Car ran good.
Yeah, looks perfect.
I put the silver wheels back on it.
You did, huh?
Give it, you know, kind of a stocker look.
Yep. Yeah, they look good.
And then, you know, of course, I got my Scirocco steering wheel.
Look at that, the Scirocco steering wheel.
This thing is a beautiful thing.
You like it? It fits right. It's the same spline, huh? The horn work too? Oh!
Whoa! A Rocco steering wheel with a horn button.
Oh my gosh! I love it. L20B. That's my favorite Volkswagen color. L20B, brilliant orange. It is the best Volkswagen color there is. And we did an episode on this car, so there'll be a link somewhere, up here, down there, I don't know. But there it is. And look, there's Arlo. So what are these going on, James?
They are going on my 68, my wife's 68 Beetle.
Yeah, what's its name? Is that a name?
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline's its name. The reason why I named it Jacqueline was bought it off the original owner's son, and the lady's name was Jacqueline. She said she was a mean German lady, and but that was her pride and joy, was
Jacqueline, and it's so clean.
It's straight.
I mean,
it's all original,
yeah,
all the body panels and stuff like that, and it just needs some loving.
So it's getting new drums.
New drums.
And it already has disc brakes.
It already has disc brakes, so it's getting the new rotors.
So you're going to put these on there. So these are Wi-Fi set up.
They're the Porsche pattern.
Oh, 5 by
130
or 112 or something like that. 130. I don't know what Porsche pattern. I don't know. But you're gonna have. It's gonna run
Fuchs. Yeah, I already got a set of polished Fuchs.
Polished Fuchs.
I'm gonna go. I want to try to build something very similar to the car I had in high school. Which
Really?
was a 70 bug Kel look.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be just lowered in the front, big motor. Probably shave the turn signals off.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
But,
I thought this was your wife's car. Does she want these things too?
The other bus is hers too. Actually, it's all. She says it's all hers.
I think so too. I think Shino is hers too. We're getting the truth. That's what we're getting. Well, happy break exchanging and getting the Fuchsias on.
It's fun going out there and relaxing.
Yeah, that's what it's about, isn't it?
It is.
And hanging out with everybody like this and all that. That's fun too. So, well, good. I was totally wrong what these were going on. So now we know that's going on the Beetle.
Yep.
That's good. Part of doing anything with the Volkswagen guys and just everybody is just hanging out. There's Alberto. Look at that awesome shirt. What'd you get? Oh man, 100% recycled. Hello. Nothing but the best. There's a Volkswagen guy there. There's old Volks TV in the house. And then over there behind us is old Volks TV. And then over there behind us is Mr. Potts. So we're all getting gas here and we'll load up and roll out here in a minute. That's the best part, man. It's just hanging out with everybody, having a good time, saying hi.
Talking to ourselves.
Talking to ourselves. And just like that, you thought the day was over. Now we're gonna go get some Volkswagen parts. So stick with us. It continues the journey day. This is true VW life. Oh, how was that, Willie? There you go. We got mystery tubs and Willie's tail. I have no idea. I did see an Eberspacher heater in there. So Jerry may be changing here, folks. It might be Eberspacher heater time for Jerry. That's kind of been on a list, and it's in the stash. So we'll see. VW Life continues. We'll do an unboxing here in a little bit. So this is what it is. There's always something. Gathering in the morning for lunch, and VW Life parts in the afternoon. And now we're headed to the recycler. And if we find anything, we're SOL because I don't know where we're gonna put it. I guess on the rack. All right, let's roll. What is in these mystery tubs? Stay tuned. Well, let's just open this one. Stay tuned. Let's just see what's in there. Bus tailpipe. Oh, Doghouse 10. Oh, look at that. Fancy aluminum pulley. Well, okay, it's a start. It's just tub number 1. There's like 8 more. Don't be disappointed. There's some good stuff in there. You know? Kind of oily. That's all right. All right, let's see what else. We'll go, shall we go another tub? Let's see. All right. Let's see. This one's heavy. This is a 2-hander. Ooh. Now you're talking. Now you're talking splash pans, fried eggs, early bus, 63 and down, oil cleaner bath, late model oil bath, Eberspacher, Marble 10 breastplate, carburetor elbow, another. Look at that, OG Hellas. Oh, Oh, early. Yeah, early. Like Boomer, 63 and down. Very nice. All right. See? See? Now we're talking. All right. What the hell? This, I'm thinking motorcycle. And that's a dead giveaway right there. Yeah, and some little bitty brake calipers. See, oh, there it is. Wow, CBR 929. It's either a CBR as a motorcycle or a 929 as an old Mazda. Okay, 1 for 3. It's a good thing we don't have smell-o-vision because this one stinks. Looks like wet Type 4 stuff. And a reduction box axle, stub axle. And some stuff going back to its maker. This tub was not waterproof. All right. Tub number 5. Oh, gen stands, Solex for your dual carb setup, and a couple of bow cars, and a 3031, and some Heim joints for the linkage. Okay. I would say yes, this one is decent. 2 out of 5. Not too bad. Continuing onward. 12 volt, excuse me, that's a 6 volt generator with regulator on top. 12 volt alternator and some inside fender well halves maybe for a Beetle. Is that what those are maybe? I don't know. And this is pretty good right here. Keep them away from the bearded wonder. They might last. Split bus windshield. Nice. All right, one thing is Jerry's gonna need a cleaning inside. All right, this is our final tub. Lord have mercy. That would be a Type 4 case. Wow. So, there you go. Who said Type 4 case doesn't? Engine in a tub. Wow. Okay. Well, I think about converting Jerry over to Type 4. I'm golden. Here's the piece de resistance. Check this out. Yeah, kids, that is a made in West Germany Eberspacher. So this could be pretty interesting. Looks like a lot of wires. Yeesh. But what could possibly go wrong running something off of gasoline when you're camping? That seems safe. All right, you've seen it. I'm gonna go through, sort, clean the rest of this stuff up. Hey, thanks for joining us today. This is a true VW Life day. We had fun. Thanks to Sean and the old folks putting on the meetup up at Liberty Hill at the food trucks. What fun that was. Good times, good times, good times. And then thanks to Jason Last L for donating these goodies so we can put them to good use. Somebody's going to be able to use them for sure. Like me on the Eberspacher. I just like saying Eberspacher. Plus the heat, it'll be warm. But right now it's getting warm, and so it doesn't seem like Eberspacher is such a good idea. Ask me when the trees were frozen. That'd be a lot better. Make sure you check us out, some of our merch on All Metric Garage. There's all kinds of good stuff there. Help yourself. We're running a special still, so check that out. And we've got all kinds of things going on coming up. Just excited for you guys to join us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about. Go out and have some fun, meet your friends, drive your Volkswagens, and get some free Volkswagen stuff. Till next time, later, guys.